All right, everyone, get ready for this one. Because today, we're taking a look at something pretty awesome. The Unimatic X Massena LAB U1-SPG NASA Artemis watch.
Oh, wow.
It's a limited edition timepiece. And as you might have guessed, it's inspired by, NASA's Artemis program.
Yeah, the Artemis program, that's really humanity's, big comeback tour to the moon.
Right.
This time, we're not just stopping by. Artemis is all about setting up, a permanent base camp
Oh, wow.
on the lunar surface and maybe even launching missions, further out like to Mars.
Exactly. And get this, the first crewed Artemis mission is aiming to launch in April 2026. I remember watching the Apollo landings as a kid. It was just pure magic.
Yeah.
To think that we're picking up where we left off all those years ago, it's incredible.
It really is a new chapter in space exploration, and what's fascinating here is that the Artemis program isn't just a repeat of Apollo. It's designed with sustainability in mind.
Yep.
Meaning a long-term presence on the moon, think scientific research, resource utilization, the works.
Okay, enough about the program for now. Let's talk about this watch.
Yeah.
The first thing that grabs you is this vibrant burnt orange color.
Yes.
It's like holding a piece of the Space Launch System rocket on your wrist.
Right, that burnt orange is a Cerakote coating a super durable ceramic-based finish. It's not just for looks. You find Cerakote on all sorts of things that need to be tough. Firearms, engine parts, you name it.
So this watch is basically as tough as the astronauts themselves. I like it.
Exactly. And to add a little contrast, they've gone with a charcoal Cerakote for the screw-down crown.
Oh, nice.
And flip it over, you'll find the solid steel back engraved with the NASA Artemis seal.
A subtle little nod to space exploration for those in the know.
Yeah.
I have to ask, this watch looks amazing, but is it all No, what's hiding under the hood of this beauty?
Don't let the space theme fool you. This is a serious dive watch, 300 meters of water resistance.
Wow.
And for the frequent flyer in you, it features an Office GMT function.
Office GMT. I'm not sure I'm familiar with that one. What exactly does that mean?
It's basically a second time zone feature. You can independently set that 24-hour hand to keep track of another time zone. So let's say you're collaborating with scientists at the lunar base, which, let's face it, you probably will be.
Right.
You can easily see what time it is there without doing any mental gymnastics.
That's actually super handy. And to really appreciate that GMT function,
Right.
Let's talk about the face of this watch. From what I can see, it's all about clarity. Matte, black background,
Yeah.
large beige superluminova hour markers. It's like they designed it for reading time on the moon.
They absolutely did focus on legibility. Even the black hands are filled with luminous paint for low light conditions. And take a look at that large arrow-shaped hand for the dual time. No mistaking that, even in lunar twilight.
Okay, last question before we move on. What makes this thing tick? What kind of movement are we talking about here?
Ticking away inside is a Seiko NH34A movement. It's a workhorse of a movement known for its reliability. In fact, it's the same one you'll find in Seiko 5 sports-style GMT watches.
So it's tried and true, just like the spirit of space exploration itself.
Precisely, the NH34A runs at a 3 Hz frequency packs, a 42-hour power reserve, and even has a stop seconds function for precise time setting. It's a solid choice for a watch like this.
This is shaping up to be quite the package. What else comes with this lunar timekeeper?
Well, you get a choice of 2 straps, a vibrant orange nylon strap, and a sleek black nylon strap. Both have nylon keepers, and a steel pin buckle, of course, finished with that burnt orange Cerakote.
Okay, so you get options nice now for the $1 million question, or, well, the $1,295 question, I should say.
Right.
How limited is this limited edition? Because if I want to rock this lunar look, I want to know it's something special.
We'll get ready to feel special because they're only making 99 of these babies. That's 99 watches for the entire world. So, yeah, pretty exclusive.
Wow. Okay, that's actually pretty impressive. And for $1,295, you not only get the watch, but also a tough case with an embroidered NASA patch.
Talk about a collector's item. And it's not just about the watch itself. Think about what it represents. Humanity's return to the moon, the spirit of exploration pushing the boundaries of what's possible. That's a lot of meaning packed into one timepiece.
You're absolutely right.